Stuart, good to see you at Advanced Engineering 2019. Now, I've had the great opportunity to visit a lot of your factories in the group now, but tell me how the four brands actually come together now.
You've got CERATIZIT, WNT, Komet and Klenk.
And a lot of the products that you've actually got in the portfolio, do they all complement each other, or do they sort of step on each other's toes?
No, they've all got their own place. You've got 100,000 products available now, 60,000 available for next day, and that's even when ordering up till 6:30 of an evening, guaranteed for 12 o'clock, midday next day.
That must be a big distinctive advantage over, a lot of your competitors.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that obviously 4:30 is the cut-off, where you can order with us up till 6:30. So that gives you an advantage, definitely, over competitors.
And I've seen Kempton, the distribution hub as well. It's absolutely amazing. But when you look at the actual portfolio and the work that you guys do, that you're not just selling a tool, are you? You're more technical than that.
Yeah, we're all from an engineering background, minimum 5-year apprenticeship or 5-year on the shop floor. So when you go along talking to a customer, you hopefully have that edge over just out-and-out salespeople.
And I think that's the key, isn't it? Because if you're in contact with a lot of customers, I suppose sometimes a lot of that information goes back to the manufacturing plant, that you might devise another product because of the customers' demand.
Yeah, you're constantly being asked of what customers need, what customers want. We'll feed it back. They'll bring out tools that have got more cutting flute, more cutting length, and that's how it works. Really, it works really well.
And finally, I know you guys are big onto marketing, and you do have a lot of special offers on a regular basis. Yet again, does that give you a little bit of a distinct advantage in the market?
Yeah, definitely. We have our special offers come out every couple of months, and then we're always running other promotions for back-end tooling and offers like that. So yeah, it's always good to have something to take to the customer at the end of the day.
And new products, I know you're always coming up with new products. Free turns something that's been new, and I saw that prior to EMO and at EMO, but I suppose next year, Mac 2020 is going to be your big placement in the UK.
Yeah, definitely. We've got the largest cutting tool stand at Mac next year, so hopefully be showing some more new products out on there.
And I would imagine the beer will be flowing as usual then?
As normally, yeah. Big stand, big bar. So beer, come along, see us. It should be good fun.
Lots of good engineers, I'm sure. Thanks very much for your time, Stuart.
Okay, thank you. Cheers, thank you.